Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Which one of the following themes best summarizes Rabindranath Tagore's entire literary philosophy? A. Violent revolution. B. Universal humanism combined with spirituality. C. Scientific materialism. D. Political nationalism alone. The right answer is option B. Universal humanism combined with spirituality. This is the central philosophical foundation of Tagore's poetry, fiction, drama, essays, and educational thought. Next question. The symbol of the red oleanders in Rakta Karabi primarily represents A. Industrial greed challenged by the vitality of life. B. Colonial education. C. Religious orthodoxy. D. Rural poverty. The right answer is option A. The red oleanders symbolize life, freedom, beauty, and resistance against materialism and industrial oppression. Next question. Arrange the following Bengali works chronologically. Mansi, Sonatari, Navedya, Gitanjali. A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 1, 3, 4, C 1, 3, 2, 4, D 4, 3, 2, 1. The right answer is option A. Mansi, 1890, Sonartari, 1894, Navedya, 1901, Gitanjali, 1910. Next question. Which English translation was introduced by W. B. Yeats? A. Fireflies, B. The Crescent Moon, C. Gitanjali, D. Fruit Gathering. The right answer is option C. Gitanjali, 1912. Next question. Assertion. A. Vishwa Bharati was founded to promote the meeting of Eastern and Western cultures. Reason. R. Tagore believed education should encourage universal understanding. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. Both statements are true, and the reason correctly explains the assertion. Next question. Which play presents the symbolic conflict between mechanical power and the human spirit? A. Muktadhara, B. Malini, C. Chitra, D. Valmiki Pratibha. The right answer is option A. Muktadhara. Next question. Which work is translated into English as The Home and the World? A. Chokher Bali, B. Gora, C. Ghare Be, D. Yoga Yog. The right answer is option C. Ghare Be. Next question. Which work of Tagore mainly criticizes militant nationalism during the Swadeshi movement? A. Gora, B. Ghare Be, C. Raja, D. Chaturanga. The right answer is option B. Ghare Be, 1916. Next question. Arrange the following English works chronologically. Gitanjali, The Gardener, Fruit Gathering, Lover's Gift. A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 1, 3, 4, C 1, 3, 2, 4, D 4, 3, 2, 1. The right answer is option A. Gitanjali, 1912, The Gardener, 1913, Fruit Gathering, 1916, Lover's Gift, 1918. Next question. Assertion. A. Gitanjali was originally written in English. Reason. R. Tagore composed it directly for Western readers. A. Both A and R are true. B. Both A and R are false. C. A is false, but R is true. D. A is false, and R is false. The right answer is option D. Gitanjali was originally written in Bengali, 1910. Tagore himself translated selected poems into English in 1912. Next question. Which play symbolizes spiritual liberation through the character of Amal? A. Chitra, B. Raja, C. Daghar, D. Visarjan. The right answer is option C. Daghar, the post office. Amal symbolizes the soul's longing for freedom. Next question. Which institution was founded by Rabindranath Tagore in 1921? A. Shantiniketan School, B. Vishwa Bharati University, C. Presidency College, D. Asiatic Society. The right answer is option B. Vishwa Bharati University was founded in 1921 at Shantiniketan. Next question. Which of the following is correctly matched? A. Gora industrial exploitation, B. Rakta Karabi symbolism of oppressive industrial civilization. C. Daghar political satire, D. Chitra nationalism. The right answer is option B. Rakta Karabi symbolizes industrial exploitation, greed, and the struggle for human freedom. Next question. Which English work of Rabindranath Tagore was published in 1916? A. Gitanjali, B. Fruit gathering. C. The crescent moon. D. Fireflies. The right answer is option B. Fruit gathering, 1916. Next question. Which of the following is not a novel by Rabindranath Tagore? A. Gora. B. Chokher Bali. C. The Gardener. D. Ghare Be. The right answer is option C. The Gardener. It is an English collection of poems published in 1913. Next question. Which of the following works was first published in 1910? A. Gora. B. Gitanjali. C. Balaka. D. Ghare Be. Like the video. Do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned, we will meet again with another interesting challenge.